Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're featuring the top 7 online interior design services as seen in Forbes. We'll explore what sets each service apart and find the best match for your home makeover. Let's get started. Crate & Barrel's Design Desk offers a completely free interior design service, quick to access and easy to use, making it perfect for those decorating on a budget. With no fees or minimum purchases required, you can work with their designers by email, phone, or in person to creatively tailor your space. The catch? All product recommendations are exclusively from Crate & Barrel. Decorilla has been named the #1 online interior design service by Forbes, Martha Stewart, and The Spruce, thanks to their attention to detail and comprehensive service. Decorilla offers personalized design help right from the start, with initial consultations to understand your style. You get design concepts from multiple top-notch designers who compete for your project, and realistic 3D renderings, so you know exactly what to expect. The perks? Up to 45% discounts on furniture, and a white-glove shopping concierge service with lifetime access. Their online platform makes the process seamless and fun, catering to all styles and needs. The Expert offers one-on-one consultations with famous interior designers. These consultations are ideal for those looking for personalized advice directly from design idols. However, it's important to note that this service provides guidance without tangible deliverables, such as floor plans. The pricing starts at $300 for a 25-minute session and goes up to $2,000 for more extensive consultations. RoomLift is unique for sending physical samples directly to your door, which is perfect for tactile individuals. However, this service does not include a purchase concierge, which might leave you to manage orders and deliveries on your own. The full package, RoomLift, costs $1,500. Feeling overwhelmed by all the design options? Having a design consultation can make all the difference. A professional designer can bring your vision to life, tailor solutions to your needs, and help avoid costly mistakes. For a limited time, you can book a free consultation with Decorilla's expert designers and get personalized advice. Don't miss out! Click the link in the description below. SpaceJoy provides a technology-driven design experience that includes 3D renderings in all of their packages. They have a quick turnaround time, which can be perfect for urgent design needs. However, they do not offer designer discounts on furnishings. Service packages start at $499. Call-Of integrates technology by using AI to generate mood boards, which helps streamline the initial design phase. They offer full room designs with 3D renderings at competitive prices, starting at $199. However, there are additional costs to use items already in your home, and the generated renderings may not be to scale. Havenly offers a personalized design experience tailored to your style and budget. While the service is budget-friendly, starting at $159, the designs are often based on a limited selection of vendor partnerships, which may restrict your options. No discounts are offered on products ordered to complete the design. There you have it, the 7 best online interior design services to help you create your dream home. For an in-depth scoop on each service, click the link below to check out our blog post where we covered different online interior design choices. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for some beautiful home decor inspirations. Thanks for stopping by.